This is my receiving video project. My name is Thomas Mikesell. This is for Professor Coslet and the Introduction to Logistics. The receiving of items process. Receiving items at a warehouse involves the process of accepting and recording incoming goods or products. It is the first step in the process of delivering an order to a customer. If the process isn't done accurately, then the warehouse will find that its records are wrong. When these records are incorrect, it could lead to unfulfilled customer orders. An efficient receiving process will help lower inventory management costs by reducing shipment costs and improving transit times. Bottled water. I chose to do bottled water because it is one of the most shipped and received items in the world. Interesting facts about bottled water. 1 million water bottles are purchased every minute. 90% of the cost of bottled water is the bottle itself. 94% of Americans buy bottled water. 50 billion water bottles are purchased a year in the United States. The process of receiving. There are many different stages that an item goes through when it's received. Inspection, unloading, documentation, quality control, inventory management, and storage. The first step, inspection. Upon arrival, warehouse staff will inspect the water for any visible damage or any discrepancies between the received water and the accompanying documents like purchase orders or the shipping manifest. Unloading. The water arrives to a warehouse in a delivery vehicle, such as a box truck or a semi. The water is usually on pallets, which are taken off the vehicle using forklifts or pallet jacks. Documentation. The delivered water is matched against the delivery documents to ensure it's the correct water. It involves verifying quantities, item description, and any relevant product codes or serial numbers. Quality control. Depending on the item, a quality control check may be performed to ensure they meet the required standards. Since water is a consumable product, the standards are very strict. For water, this can involve visual inspection and sampling procedures. Inventory management. The received water is then recorded in the warehouse's inventory management system. This includes updating stock levels, assigning stock keeping unit numbers, and assigning the storage locations. Storage. The water is placed in its designated storage area in the warehouse. It will be stored on shelves or racks. Smaller amounts of water may be stored in bins or containers. Storage will vary on warehouse layout and storage system. What I learned. I learned that consumables like water, as opposed to manufactured products or electronics, require a lot more inspection and quality control. If water and non-perishables arrive to a warehouse at the same time, the water would be unloaded first. Some other fun facts that I learned. It is only at the point of consumption that a water bottle seal is broken and the water is exposed to its immediate environment. The average cost of a bottle of water in the US is $1.50. In 1622, the United Kingdom's Holy Well sold the first bottle of water. The number of bottled water brands in the US went from only 50 water brands in 1998 to 195 by the year 2012. This concludes my presentation. Thank you for taking the time to watch.